Welcome everyone. We are exploring ISO 20000 family of standards, which highlights different functional areas of IT service management system. These standards cover fundamental ITSM requirements, implementation guidance, evolving practices, and future development. So starting from first family that we categorize, that are the core standards for ITSM requirements, which are auditable and certifiable. So first one is the same that we are discussing, ISO 20000-1, which defines the mandatory requirements for establishing and maintaining a service management system. This is the standard uh, on which all IT service organizations can comply with and get a certification. Then we have ISO 20000-6 standard, which is basically specifies requirements for certification bodies assessing compliance with ISO 20000-1. So it means that all CBs certification bodies are assessed based on this standard for certifying to ISO 20000-1 other organizations. So there are some organizations at the back end which are providing the accreditation with the IAF. So they basically audit certification bodies based on ISO 20000-6 standard. So these are the two auditable standards. Then we have some implementation and guidance standard. So we have two standards in this category, that is part 2 of the ISO 20000-2, that provide detailed guidance on applying a service management system based on ISO 20000-1. So it means that it helps you with examples and give a way for you to interpret that. So it's a guiding standard. So it has examples and it has various interpretations. It enables organizations to interpret that as standard and apply from the examples based on their organizational structure. Then we have ISO 20000-5, which is the fifth part of the series that offers practical implementation advice for aligning service management with ISO 20000-1. So it's a technical standard, it's not a guiding standard. So the difference between the two is that this one is the technical standard. It specifically shows you the how part, whereas the prior one, that is ISO 20000-2, is a guiding standard with examples, with enabling organizations for interpretation. They implement it, while this one, the later one, that is the fifth part, is the technical one that offers practical implementation advice. That is how you can do it in one go. So this is the difference between the two. Now coming towards the third category, that is about the scope, applicability and relationship with other frameworks. We have three standards here, that is part 3, part 11 and part 14. So part 3 help organizations define the scope and applicability of ISO 20000-1 to their IT services. Then part 11 explains the relationship between ISO 20000-1 with the ITIL 4 framework, supporting integration strategies. We have discussed ITIL in the earlier lectures. Then we have the ISO 20000-14 that examines how 20000-1 connects with the another framework, that is service integration and management, SIAM. So these three basically show guidance on scope, applicability and relationship with other important framework in the IT service management space. Then we have some supporting concepts and evolving IT practices group, that is the part 10 of the standard ISO 20000-10, which defines key concepts and terminologies used across ISO 20000 series of standards. Then we have some emerging and future focus standards, like part 15, which offer guidance on integrating agile and DevOps principle into the IT service management framework. Then we have the part 16 that focuses on integrating sustainability with the service management system based on the ISO 20000-1. It means that you have a environmental consideration here. Then we have ISO 20000-17 that offers practical scenarios for applying service management systems in some real world environments. So these family of standards ensure organizations can build, refine and future-proof their IT service management frameworks, adapting to evolving businesses and technology needs. Understanding how these standards interconnect strengthen service delivery, compliance and business resilience. So this was all about this lecture. I like to see you in the last bonus lecture. Thanks.